Today we stand in front of you with a very heavy heart and seeking your hand of support and friendship. আমরা এখন আর অসুবিধা আশা করি তাই আজিয়া ইন্টারন্যাশনাল মাদার ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ দিবা মাঝে কসু দুনিয়ার মানুষে জানিবার বান ইংলিশের মাঝে আই কসু কারালা মেসেজ হইল Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we stand in front of you with a very heavy heart and seeking your hand of support and friendship. Today is International Mother Language Day. Being Rohingya, we would like to address our concerns. Language is not just a tool for communication, but the way to express our history, express our emotions, and bridge the gaps between cultures. On this International Mother Language Day, let us celebrate the diversity of language and richness they bring to our work. Even when we were forced to flee our home, our mother language is one of the few things we could carry with us, a reminder of our identity and connection to our past. Language is not just a means of communication, but a lifeline for refugees, a way to express ourselves and seek help in times of crisis. Despite the challenges we face as refugees, our mother language remains a source of strength, hope, and resilience. It is a reminder that no matter where we are, we still have our voice. On this International Mother Language Day, let us remember the millions of refugees around the world who are struggling to preserve their linguistic and cultural heritage. Let us stand in solidarity with them and work towards a more inclusive and compassionate world where everyone's mother language is respected and celebrated. Thank you.
Adalah